be learning about planets. Now let's go over some of our planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Pluto can be sometimes considered a planet. Sometimes people say it's not a planet. So here's our easy way to remember all your planets except Pluto. My very excellent mother just served us nachos. So that's how you remember the order of the planets. Now, there is multiple S's and M's. Planets that start with the S and an M. Now, just remember, Mercury's always first. So, let's go to our first planet, Mercury. Mercury is 57,909,227 kilometers away from the sun. The orbit period is 88 days. Mercury is the closest to the sun. Mercury's mass is 3.30 times 10 to the power of 23 kilograms. Also 5.5% Earth. Mercury has no moon and its orbit distance is 57,909,227 kilometers. Also 0.39 AU. The surface of Mercury is negative 173 to 427 degrees. The first record of Mercury is 14th century BC, recorded by the Hazarasian astronomers. Your weight on Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. A day on the surface of Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. Next planet, Venus. Venus is the second closest planet to the sun. Venus' mass is 4.87 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Also 81.5% Earth. Venus has no moons. Venus' orbit distance is 108,209,475 kilometers, 0.73 AU. Venus' orbit distance is 225 days. Venus has first record was 17th century BC. The record was by Babylonian astronomers. Earth and Venus are almost the same size. There's only a 638 kilometer difference. Venus is often called Earth's sister. Third planet. Earth mass is 5.97 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Earth has one moon, the moon you see at night. Earth's orbit distance is 149,598,262 kilometers. Also 1 AU. Earth's orbit period is 365.24 days. / 70% of Earth. Is covered with water. Earth can also be known as the blue planet. The remaining 30% is covered with ground. Earth has one moon and 2 co-orbital satellites. Did you know each winter about one sepulton or a trillion snow crystals drop from the sky. Amazing, huh? Mars. Mars' mass is 6.42 times 10 to the power of 23 kilograms. 10.7% Earth, and Mars has two moons, Phobos and Deimos. Mars' orbit distance is 227,943,824 kilometers. Also 1.52 AU. Sorry. Mars' orbit period is 687 days, 1.9 years. Mars' first record is 2nd millennium BC. The record was by Egyptian astronomers. Jupiter's mass is 10 power of 27 kilograms, 318 Earths. Jupiter has 70 moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto, and Callisto. Jupiter has 4 rings. Jupiter's orbit distance is 778,340,821 kilometers. Also 5.20 years. Jupiter's orbit period is 4,333 days. Also 11.9 years. Jupiter's first record is 17th or 8th century BC. The record was by the Babylonian astronomers. Jupiter is made out of gas, which is also known as a gas giant. Next planet, Saturn. Saturn's mass is 5.68 times 10 to the power of 26 kilograms. 95 Earths. Saturn has 62 moons: Titan, Enceladus, Lapidus, and Rhea. Saturn's orbit distance is 1,426,666,422 kilometers. Also 9.54 AU. Saturn's orbit period is 10,756 days. Also 29.5 years. Saturn's first record is 8th century BC. Record was by Azarans. Next planet, Uranus. Uranus' mass is 8.68 times 10 to the power of 25 kilograms. 15 Earths. Uranus has 27 moons: Miranda, Titania, Ariel, Umbrella, and Orbion. Uranus has 13 rings. Uranus' orbit distance is 2,870,658,186 kilometers. Also 19.19 AU. Uranus' orbit period is 30,687 days. Also 84.0 years. Uranus was discovered by William Herschel on March 13th, 1781. Next planet, Neptune. Neptune's mass is 1.02 times 10 to the power of 26 kilograms. 17 Earths. 557,909,227 kilometers. Neptune has 14 Triton. Neptune only has 5 rings. Neptune's orbit distance is 4,498,396,441 kilograms. Also 30.10 AU. Neptune's orbit period is 60,190 days. Also 164 years. Neptune was discovered by Bain, Leverrier, and John Daly in September 23rd, 1846. That's it on planets. See you on my next learning video. Remember, keep on learning!